Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up Google Drive for desktop. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Setting up Google Drive for desktop involves installing the Google Drive for desktop application on your PC. And here are the steps to set up Google Drive for desktop. The first step will be visit the Google Drive download page, link in the description below, and your web browser. Click on download to download the Google Drive for desktop installer. Next step, locate the downloaded installer file and double click on it to run the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Another step, after installation, launch Google Drive for desktop. Sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you can't create one during this step. Another step, during the setup process, you'll be prompted to choose which folders from your Google Drive you want to sync to your PC. You can either sync all folders or select specific ones based on your preferences. Just follow the prompts. Hit next, then click Got It. Now, include both photos and videos, then hit next. Hit next again, and then hit next. Next step, hit on an open drive. Google Drive for desktop will start syncing your selected folders and files. The time it takes depends on the size of your data and your internet connection speed. Another step, once syncing is complete, you'll find a Google Drive folder on your PC. This folder contains the files and folders you choose to sync. Google Drive for desktop will automatically keep your selected folders in sync between your PC and the cloud, making it convenient for file access and backup. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.